Click the subscribe button, press the bell icon for more updates.
Are oranges good for a cough and phlegm? Oranges are healthy citrus fruits filled with vitamin C and other beneficial nutrients. They're famous for being able to help treat malnutrition-related diseases like scurvy, which are caused by a deficiency in vitamin C. The vitamin C content of oranges is also thought to help with a variety of other conditions. Vitamin C can even influence respiratory issues. Respiratory issues and oranges. Oranges are well known for being rich in vitamin C. They're also rich in vitamin A, minerals like calcium and iron, fiber and beneficial antioxidants. One of these antioxidants is citric acid, which is found naturally in a wide variety of foods, especially citrus fruits like grapefruits, lemons, limes and oranges. These days, it doesn't just exist naturally, it can be produced in powdered form. It's commonly used as a component of cleaning products, cosmetics, food products and pharmaceuticals. Citric acid is known to induce coughing. This, in turn, means that oranges are good for coughing. Quite literally, the citric acid in them can make you cough. By no means does this mean that an orange causes a cold, though. If you have a respiratory issue that has caused phlegm buildup in your body, foods that contain citric acid, like oranges, can be helpful. They can help you cough the phlegm out of your respiratory system, improving your symptoms. Of course, too much coughing will give you a hoarse throat, so be careful not to go overboard. Next time you pick up a glass of orange juice for a bad cough, you may want to think twice. Switching that glass of cold juice for a hot tea with orange and honey might be a lot better for your throat.